is what is the name of this? Fortune ruler. And there's a buying bonus. So let's try. And I have a free play, $60. I'm just gonna do $10. Uh-oh. Come on. Come on, give us a bonus. Bonus? Oh, just one. I only have one left. Come on, just give me a 2. I think this is the bonus. And nothing. What did I get? Nothing. For $10.75. Oh well. Okay, so I still have 50 bucks. Let's try again. How about let's do $20? Maybe $20 is good. Oh no. Come on, give us at least bonus. Make it count. Make it count. Make it count. Oh, just one. Yikes. Last spin. Last spin. And that's it. I need one more. Oh well, let's try another one. Let's see, another one. Come on. Oh no. Come on, just give us a bonus. Oh, that's good. Times 3? Alright. $13. Come on. At least 2 more of that. Come on. And nothing. Okay. Money back. So last 10. I still have $10, so last one. Come on, give us a bonus. Oh, nothing.